Toya, it came right away this morning. Darrell Brooks standing up in his suit and tie, issuing an apology to the court for his behavior last week, which he was shirtless at times. But after that, he got right to questioning, cross-examining witnesses, coming face to face with the victim, one of the first people struck in the parade.
Monday, prosecutors showed the jury video of Nicole White walking down Main Street in the Christmas parade last November when the unthinkable happened.
I just remember being struck by the vehicle from behind.
White on the witness stand, shaking at times, described the moment an SUV slammed into her.
I fell to my knees and kind of rolled under the vehicle. I thought that somebody would have stopped after that point, and when I looked up, I just remember the vehicle continued.
Jurors watched videos showing the moment White was hit, but it wasn't broadcast due to its graphic nature.
It was very chaotic. There was people at that point that began running and screaming.
Darrell Brooks is accused of hitting White along with 60 others and killing 6 people, as prosecutors say he sped through the parade route. One officer's dash camera shows the red SUV fly by with the officer chasing behind.
You drove past me and wouldn't stop.
Several officers testified Brooks was behind the wheel. Brooks watching intently, screams could be heard in video showing the moment the SUV plowed into the Waukesha South High School marching band.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
The band director says 10 of her students were struck and injured.
And I could tell there was some sort of a vehicle trying to get through. And then I started just seeing things flying in the air, and I realized this was not a vehicle waiting for people to move out of the way. I realized this vehicle was running over people.
Hillary joining us once again. Now, Hillary, the judge struck video, dash camera video, that the jury was shown Friday, correct?
Exactly, Toya. There was some audio in that video from a witness, actually Darrell Brooks' ex-girlfriend, that she brought up some statements that the judge previously ruled on cannot be brought up at trial. The district attorney says they simply didn't hear it, didn't catch it before they showed it to the jury.
Hillary Mintz reporting live in Waukesha tonight. Thank you.